Hey, Andy Castro here from Munchsters, and we're going to discover bread in Japan. What? They eat bread in Japan? Oh, don't they just eat rice and noodles? Wake up, you! Maybe a common misconception amongst some people that have never been here or experienced like some sort of Japanese culture. So here we're gonna get bread. Yes, bread. And as you might imagine, there's some Japanese gears going there, flowing with imagination. Yeah, all that with you in this video right now. Just walk into the location now, and it is not the most ideal, it's not the most central location ever in Tokyo, but hey, it is like over 100 years old. Not like, it is literally over 100 years old. So it's worth a little bit of a walk if you're really into bread, I guess. So how in the hell did bread come into Japan? I mean, isn't it like a Western thing? Yes, it is. So it turns out in the mid-1500s during the wartime, we got introduced by some Portuguese missionaries. Yeah, they brought some ingredients to mix around with water, and then voila, here's bread. Fast forward to the mid-1800s, and it was considered to be, hey, good during wartime. Check it out, something cheap with wheat and easily accessible and made and really filling. So give it to all the soldiers. Fast forward again to after the Second World War, and I think it was the Americans that just shipped in a whole lot of wheat because there was a shortage of food supplies. So something yet again cheap, filling, easy to produce bread. Fast forward one more time to more recent times, to the present day. The amazing variations and little twists that the Japanese tended to create here with their bread is the unique thing that we want to explore today. Melon pan and curry pan. FYI, pan in Latin means bread. And it's just amazing how spread out it is. If you go to any station, you're gonna find at least one, if not two bakeries. So this Western staple has now become a Japanese staple as well. What? Oh no, there's nothing left. What a fail, man. This is what you get half an hour before closing shop, I guess. Let's go in. We're here already. Come on. It's closing. I mean, that's my fault. The best time to come to a bakery is first thing in the morning, yeah, but I don't wake up that early. I'm sorry. We're here in the Arvo. Nevertheless, here we are with this beautiful little bun. I guess it's a mini burger of sorts. Looks like it has lettuce, carrots, mayonnaise, and chicken. Or is it tuna? Let's find out. Wow, this is so unique. It's definitely accustomed to the Japanese palate in terms of the bread. It's actually kind of sweet, alright? Not only does it have the beautiful egg wash, which is more traditional in the Western style, but there's actual sugar in the bread. And these, look at these bamboo shoots. Check it out. It blends so well with the chicken, and it looks like chicken, but when you eat it, it's so crunchy. Awesome texture balance with the chicken. If they just put their own twist on it, it comes out marvelous. I really like how Japanese cuisine really puts its own little flavor on it, and sometimes makes it better than the original. But this bread is so spongy, it's bouncy, it's beautiful, salty yet sweet. Awesome little snack. Just leaving the place, and there's still people coming in and out of it. It's still packed up until the last minute. That just shows that its reputation precedes itself. Alright, we came here, we saw, we won. No, we lost, but we won in that awesome little burger thing. It just gives you an idea of how interwoven bread has really become in Japanese culture. But you know what, we gotta do win-win. Alright, we're gonna see a bustling bakery full of bread, alright, with all the different variations. I'm gonna show you, it's so amazing. So let's go do that. Alright, let's find something worth watching and eating. of the best places to get some beautiful bread from a nice bakery is of course a shopping mall. And here we got two chains because, you know, everything's a chain here in Japan, especially in Tokyo. We got Mini One and Donkey something Audition. Let's check it out. I'm so excited. Here's the karepan. Yes, the unique invention from the Japanese and their brilliant minds. It came straight out of the oven. I saw her put it into place. Oh man, this is fresh out of the oven, still warm. So crunchy. Karepan bread with curry inside, like a neat little nifty canoe of sorts, just to house the beautiful curry. Talk about inventiveness. All right, let's go right in. I've never tried it. I don't know why I haven't, because it's so popular. Let's go. That's so good. Oh man, that's brilliant. This is a curry eating experience all within itself in this lovely little package. It's nestled into this little bed so you don't get your fingers dirty. I love it. This is like a whole meal into one. It's like a naan bread, dunked already, pre-dunked if you will, with the curry just ready to deliver into your mouth. What I really love though is the crunch, the consistency is off the chain. Have a listen. This is awesome. It's almost like deep fried, but it's not. It's just so crunchy. I love it. The overall flavor is quite sweet, okay? The curry itself and the bread is more of like that baguette style. You get that salty side. I think the sweetness is coming from the curry. Just divine. And melon pan bread. Hey, see? They adopted the Latin lingo into their Japanese. Check it out. Melon bread, melon pan. Such a big thing again, just like the curry pan. But hey, I've also never tried it. I'm quite surprised actually. I thought there was going to be some sort of filling, like some custard or something, but it's just bread with a crusty exterior with the sugar, and it's looking real crusty. Let's give it a go. It tastes like melon. It tastes like melon. Bread that tastes like melon. Okay. So I'm not crazy. Let me try again. That is so weird. Never have I thought of eating melon and bread at the same time. So the fact that this exists, bread that actually tastes like melon, it really trips me out, because not what your brain thinks, right? You're thinking savory, you think it tastes like whatever, chocolate, some other combination that you've tried a million times, but never melon. I think predominantly it comes from the crust, because that's where the sugar is, and they can put some sort of flavoring, I imagine. Nevertheless, look at this fluffy texture. It's just so cloudy. I want to go right in for this amazing bit. Croissant? Two pieces. And the chain mini one. I wonder why they call it that. Amazing little croissants, and thank God it's a chain actually, because the quality is just to die for. I saw it on the way over here actually, on the train station on the ground, believe it or not. So they're kind of all over the place. I mean, I haven't been to France, but I really haven't tried better croissants than these. Hey, it is what it is. Let's give it a go. That crunch. Buttery and sweet. It's definitely sweet. Got quite a bit of sugar in there. Just amazing. Maybe with a bit of Nutella or something. Oh, it's brilliant for afternoon tea. So there you go. Look into the wacky world of bread in Japan. Just flavors that you don't expect, and it just really trips you out. It's an experience all into itself. So do try it. Curry pan and melon pan is going to be something that, you know, really wins you over, because your expectations is really going to lead you astray. So if you like this video, check out this one. See you next time.